So we are visiting the most intact house from the medieval ages on Gotland, and we are currently on the second floor, and it's absolutely beautiful. And I think it's really fascinating that it's still, you know, this complete as a house. So this house is located next to a house, a modern house. So it is on someone's property, but it is protected by the Hague Convention from 1954, I believe. Now we're on the top floor. It's so exciting. And I believe either this or the middle floor could be used as a party or feast room or summer house, basically. Summer apartment, or I don't know how to put it in English. You think the floor is scary?
Yeah, because it's sagged.
Yeah. You want to go down? I think it's so cool to imagine how people lived here and what they were doing and how they felt and what they were thinking when they had the fire on. Oh, look here. So I'm not quite sure if this is correct, but I believe that the man who is said to have lived here or built this was called something Hästnäs, because that was the farm's name. This farm is called Stora Hästnäs, or this house is called Stora Hästnäs, which means big Hästnäs. But I believe he is buried, and the stone is available in the church of 𝕮𝖆𝖗. So maybe we should go and... But yeah, we're gonna go down one floor again to the entrance floor. Like, I could just look around here all day. And now we're at the entry floor again. I think they've had coffee here. Oh, look at you bending down. That's a nice print on it, 𝕮𝖵𝖗. Oh yeah, we have the floor down here as well. I think they've used it as storage. So today there's only the middle part left of the house, and there were two like side parts of it, but those don't exist anymore. What is fun with Stora Hästnäs is that it's also, I don't know if you can say like inspired, or like you can see traces of it being close to Visby as a city.